Hello, everybody, and welcome to the November 29th issue of the Tucson Mortgage Weekly, coming to you this evening on Monday due to my perennial Monday morning IT problems. It seems that somehow if I just leave for a weekend, things manage to not work. So what I can tell you is catching up is hell. Anyway, I hope you had a wonderful time for Thanksgiving with family and friends. Now, as they say, coffee break's over. Everybody off break and back on your heads. Back to work. Here we go. Okay, so what happened last week? Short trading week, which is always a good, bad story. Early in the week, rates had improved as investors started moving money into bonds after North Korea attacked the South Korean island, killing 2 soldiers, injuring lots of civilians, and doing a lot of property damage. And there's been a lot of chest pounding over the last few days. You probably heard a lot about it over the weekend. In the meantime, economically, GDP rose more than expected, and that certainly helped the stock markets a little bit. And then the Federal Open Market Committee meetings came out basically saying, golly gee, this QE2 thing could really make the value of the dollar go down and help the economy. Nice that they actually recognized that, but they finally did that. And what ended up happening between all 3 of those events is the bottom literally dropped out of the bond market on Wednesday. Mortgage-backed securities dropped something in the order of about 100 basis points, which is equivalent to about an increase of 0.25% in rates. But considering it was before Thanksgiving, as much as our stomachs were all sick, we knew that there was an opportunity to recoup a bit on Friday, which in fact it did. Not a lot, but about 1/4 of what it dropped. And then this morning we got some improvement as well. And I think part of the reason we got improvement again this morning was, again, the continuing problem with what's going to happen in Europe with the bailout and what's going on in Korea, and are they going to blow us up? Are we going to blow them up? Is China going to come in and blow everybody up? Who knows? So anyway, I guess the way they put it in The Wizard of Oz, which was also on this weekend, if anyone was looking, it was like, Europe and Korea and QE2, oh my! So the market really doesn't know what the heck's going on right now. At best, it's going to move sideways. Technically speaking, we should get some improvement in rates. But overall, I think what's going to happen is we're going to have to see how the reports come out with Cyber Monday. There's supposedly over $1 billion expected to be spent. And as they said very nicely in the paper, it's going to be a great holiday, great for the economy. The question is, whose economy, the United States or China? So we'll have to see how this all works out. In either case, I wish you a very happy and a healthy holiday season, especially those taking vacations coming up for Christmas. It's been a great year. I really appreciate your trust and your business. I thank you very much. Don't forget to check out the blog site, TucsonMortgageBlog.com. Make it a great week. Bye-bye.